Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate bulk discount code in Shopify. Shopify by default doesn't have bulk discount code generation functionality. We can create only one discount code at a time. But imagine if you want to generate many like 1000 code discount code in a go. How you are going to do that? So, in order to learn how to generate bulk discount code, watch this tutorial till the end. If you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to our new videos because we try to make tutorials on Shopify so that you get complete knowledge about Shopify platform. So without wasting much time, let's start with this tutorial. Since Shopify doesn't have this functionality inbuilt, we have to use a third-party app. So let's close this first. We'll click on apps and then over here we need to click on recommended apps. Now scroll down little bit. Then you're going to have a link over here called Shopify App Store. We need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, Shopify App Store will open. Over here, we need to search for the keyword called bulk discount. Press enter. In the search result, you are going to get different apps which offer bulk discount code functionality. We are going to make use of bulk discount code bot by Seguno. So guys, if you see, this is the listing page of this bulk discount code bot app. So they are having this bulk discount code generation functionality. You can create and import unlimited unique discount code right into Shopify. They have given some more information about this app. Also, if you see, they are having a free plan. Under free plan, you get 3 discount set at no charge. Also, you can add more codes to existing discount code set at any time. Then you also have unlimited plans. Like under unlimited plan, you have plan for $19 per month and also unlimited plus which is $99 per month. These plans have some extra functionality. Now let's scroll on top and let's install this app. I'll click on add app. On this page, you're going to see what kind of information this bulk discount code bot app is accessing, like contact information, customers data, and other. We need to click on install app. As soon as you are going to click on install app, the app is going to install on your Shopify store. So there we go, guys. The bulk discount code bot app has been successfully installed. So if you see, this is the dashboard of this app. So over here, you can create discount code set. So set is kind of a group. Then over here, you can look out for any discount code which is already created. Then over here at the right side, they have also shown other apps that they have developed. Then if you need any assistance, then they are having the chat support over here. In order to get the issues sorted, you need to click over here on this chat icon. Then they have some basic information they have given about this app. And if you still need more help, then you can ask them some question over here by clicking on ask. Now let's create a discount set. I'll click on create this discount set. Now let's give it a title. I'll say Xmas offer discount. Then we have two options over here. Generate random codes or provide specific codes. So if I go with generate random codes, then the app is going to generate random discount codes for us. If I select this provide specific codes, then we can give a specific keyword for the discount code. So if I want to generate like around 1000 discount codes, then it is not possible me to enter all discount codes. So hence I'll go with generate random codes. So then we are also having more two options over here, which says number of codes to generate. So basically over here, you need to specify how many codes you want to generate. Suppose 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, and so on. I want 1000 discount codes. So I can use these discount codes to run offer on the Shopify website. You can email these discount codes to your customers and you can tell them to use these discount codes to get offer. This is going to increase the sale on your Shopify website. The next column is code length. So over here, you need to specify the length of the discount code. If you see currently over here, it shows the a sample discount code, and if you see there are 6 characters. You can change the length. If I say 10 characters, then if you see over here, it shows me 10 characters for the discount code, and the 1000 discount codes that are going to be generated will have the length of 10 characters. So let's go with 5. So if you see, now 5 characters are shown. Now let's click on this show advanced options. As soon as I click on it, we have prefix and suffix. So if I want to start the discount code with a specific word, like I'll say X, then if you see now, the discount code starts with X, this word, alphabet basically. And suffix is if I enter suppose number 2, then if you see at the last, you are going to have this number 2. So let's go with like TLC. Then now if you see at the ending you have T in the discount code. So this is good when you are having any specific offers, like since I am creating a discount codes like of 1000 for Christmas sale, I have entered prefix as T. So you can relate that these are the Christmas discount codes. You then have allowed characters. So currently if you see, it is a mixture of letters and numbers. Then you have letters only. So if you want only letters, then it will have only letters in the discount code. If you select numbers only, then you are going to get only numbers. Then you have include separators within the code. So once you select this, then the discount codes that are going to be generated are going to be separated by comma. So let's select this particular option or we can even disable this. Then you have type. So types are of 4 types: percentage, fixed amount, free shipping, or buy X get Y. So if you select percentage, then the discount code will be on the percentage form and you need to specify the discount percentage value over here. If you select a fixed amount, then you can give like only 100 rupees off or like 200 rupees off. If you give this particular free shipping option, then the customer is going to get free shipping when they apply this particular discount code. Or if they select this buy X get Y, then if they are purchasing a particular product, then a particular product which they are going to get for free. Like over here, as soon as I select this buy X get Y, we have some settings over here. So minimum quantity of items and minimum purchase amount. So you can select any setting. Like for minimum quantity of items, I can say like For one quantity, they can we can specify specific product or collection, and they are going to get that particular product free. So they are going to get this one quantity free of this particular product, or minimum purchase amount also you can give. So let's go with percentage. So I'll say 30% off on that applies to all products. So on any products that which are there on a website, the customer is going to get 30% discount. Or you can say specific collection or specific product. So you are limiting the to the discount code on the particular products. Then you have minimum purchase requirement. So currently, if you see, it is no minimum requirement. Suppose if you want to put a condition that like the discount code should be applicable above rupees 1000 only, then you need to select minimum purchase amount. Then you enter 1000 over here. If you want to apply on minimum quantity of items, suppose the discount code should be applicable on 5 products. So only if the customer's products are 5, and then only the discount should be applicable. So this is totally depend on your requirement. I'll say no minimum requirement. Then customer eligibility. So there are two options over here, like for all customers or for a particular segment. Like when you are running any offer and you have integrated any third party app, or suppose there are customers who are not purchasing on your product after adding the product to the cart. So you can target those particular customers. Like if you select these particular options, specific customers, then you get there are four particular options, like customers who haven't purchased, customers who have purchased more than once, abandoned checkout in last 30 days. The same thing which I was telling you earlier, that the customers are adding the products to the cart but are not checking out. So you can target them. Then also email subscribers. So whoever has subscribed to your email subscription, then you can target them. So let's go with all customers. Then you have maximum discount usage. You can limit the number of times the discount can be used. So I'll say one. So only once the discount code can be used, and limit to one per customer. So this is totally depending on your requirement. And now from when you want to start this, like meaning the start date of end date of this discount code, I'll say from tomorrow I want to start, and I need to also specify this end date. So I'll give end date in another, suppose like on 13th. So this discount code is valid from this particular date till this date. Now we need to click on save. So guys, if you see, now we have got a message discount set created, and now if you see, the discount set has been created over here, and it is importing now 1000 discount codes. Currently the progress is on 0, and it will be importing more 1000. Also you can check the progress over here. Now 200 are imported out of 1000. So there we go guys. All the discount codes have been successfully imported. Now let's click over here. So over here we can see the discount code settings. You can customize this again if you want. Now let's navigate back. Now if you hover over here, then you can add more discount codes. Also you can export these discount codes, and if you want to open the discount codes, then click on go to discount. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to add discount codes in bulk in a Shopify store. So guys, to get more tutorials like this, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to a new video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate bulk discount code in Shopify. Shopify by default